Hello and welcome everyone to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can customize logo call button in Salesforce Live. In this whole video tutorial, we will discuss the steps using which we can customize logo call button in Salesforce Lightning. Now, before we jump to very first topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel to provide dedicated solution and tutorial for Salesforce. So if you are really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get the regular update. Now let's jump to very first topic and let us understand how we can customize logo call button in Salesforce Lightning. Now what is this logo call button? Now logo call is a widely used activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. The role of this activity tab is to record the interaction between the users and the customers. However, there could be a requirement where we need some more options or fields in a logo call action. So to overcome this thing in Salesforce, we can create a customized logo call action. So let us discuss these steps using which we can customize logo call action in Salesforce Lightning. So move to our Salesforce org. So here on the screen, you can see I have opened the home setup page. So you can easily open the home setting up page by clicking on the gear icon. This is my gear icon, and then click on the setup option and our home setup page is open now. So first of all, let us see how where we get this logo call button. So what I will do, I click on the app launcher and then click on the view all option and then scroll down, and here we can see there is an account object present. Click on this accounts object. So here account is an inbuilt object that Salesforce Lightning provide by default. So here I will open any of the record for this account object, and then we can see under the activity section you can see there is an action that is logo call, and under a logo call there is a various fields. For example, subject is there, comment is there, name is there, related to is there, and then there is a save button also. So by using this logo call, we store some information related to the record. Now what if I want some more field in this logo call action? Then what I can do? So for this, I will again move to my home setup page. So I will again click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option. From here, I will go to the object manager, and this is my object manager tab that is present on the navbar. Click on this object manager tab, and under this object manager I need to find the object for which I want to customize action button. So I want to customize action button for my account object. So I click on account object. So this will open an object manager page for the account object. Now under this I will click on the button links and actions. So I click on this option. Now from here I will click on the new action button, and from this option we can create a new action for this particular account object. Now here we need to first select the action type, and so for this we click on the drop down arrow, and for example I want action type for this is logo call. Then there is an option to give a standard label. We can skip this, and after this I need to provide a label for my action, and I will give the label as a log account, and then there is a name that is automatically filled up, and after that there is a description. So for example, I want to provide the description like this action is used to log a call account. So I enter the description here, and here I enter the description as a action is used to log a account. Action is used to log a account. And after that, so by this we can provide a description, and we can also provide a success message. So once you provide all these options, click on the save button, and once we click on this, our new action of log a call, our new action has been created successfully. Now here are the set of fields. For example, as I have created this action for logo call, so there are a field that are there in a logo call. That is a subject, comments, name related to, and I can add some more fields to it. For example, I want this status field is my customized action. So click on this status field and drag this and drop it here. And our status field is add, and I will put in the below list, and I can also reorder this list. So first is the subject, second one is the comment, and then there is a name, and so I want the related list to fill is in between. So I move this related list and fill in between name, and so I will customize this. And once all this process has been completed, click on the save button. So here is our save button. Click on the save button. So with the help of this, we have created a customized logo call type action. Now I have need to add this action to my activity tab. Then for this, what I will do, I will click on the page layout, and here is the page layout. Click on this page layout option and then select the account layout, and our layout page is open, and under this we can see there is a mobile and lightning action. Click on this mobile and lightning action, and under this we can easily find the action, that is log account. Search for the log account, and here is the log account action is present under this. So drag this and put this action under the Salesforce mobile and lightning action section, and here is our Salesforce mobile and lightning action section, and we put this log account inside under this Salesforce mobile and lightning action. Now click on the save button, and with the help of this we have successfully created our customized logo action, and we have also added that logo call action in the object. So now here one thing we need to note, that I have not customized the original logo call action. That is because the logo call action is a standard for all, or we can say it is a standard for many of the objects in Salesforce. So I have not touched the original logo call action. Instead of that, I have created a new customized action which is of the type of logo call, and I am using the customized logo call action in Salesforce object. So with this we have learned how to customize a logo call action in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.